Hello friends, I am Tariq Mahmood, and you are watching our YouTube channel, TMC Officials. In today's video, guys, we will talk about Bitcoin price prediction, covering the next 7 days future position here. If you are a beginner or a smart trader, this video will greatly impact your trading. Because friends who know what Bitcoin positions will be are more successful than ordinary traders in definitely earning. So guys, it is 1,000 times better than trading in any project. If you understand Bitcoin spot and resistance, you know how Bitcoin works day to week, month to month. For now, in this video, we are going to share with you only the position of the next 7 days. So guys, what you need to do is to watch the video, like the channel, and subscribe. If you want to get a notification of any of our videos in the coming days, then click the bell icon button as well as the all button. So guys, this is our series and many of our viewers are earning very well from this series, alhamdulillah. So guys, here I will give a shorter intro of last week. After that, we will start price prediction for next week. Last week, when I shared with you the price performance of BTC was at 43490. Even today, friends, its price is trading at a similar level. But in the meantime, it gave us 3 to 4 time low levels. And what was our spot? Our first spot was, friends, 42,800 and 42,500. Now, in this past week, BTC 3 times, 4 times, gone on low level, 42,650, 42,555, 42,222, 42,150. So guys, these were the 4 spots that we utilized, but our target supports were 42,800 and 42,500. So when we saw these spots in the market, they had gone below their spot. When we went below our spot, we had the opportunity to trade in BTC every time in the market, and 3 times in the past week, BTC made a high of 43119 nows and 43569, 43862. So guys, here is their downfall after that. Now I show you the momentum. So the lower we saw in the market, the more we took the recovery. So our spot between 42,800 and 42,500 has given us an advantage now. Moving on to the next week, guys. I think it is very important to give the intro of the previous week so that our viewers know how this series works. So friends, here we have opened the complete chart so that we can get proper support here as to how we have to work. Friends, the weekly candle is open in front of you. In this weekly candle, we are clearly seeing a spot. See, this is the 3rd week, so we are covering here on a weekly basis. But I want us to move here toward the day chart. The day chart will bring us a much better position. So guys, we go back a full 7 days here. So the exact biggest low the market has brought here for us is 42150. You may have seen that in our daily crypto analysis video. I have been constantly discussing the previous week's support of 42150. So the last week's spot that we saw was the same and the universal level here. It's important to reach out to friends who all want to know how big BTC can drop in the next 7 days. So guys, 10 is the biggest spot at 4,000 right now. They are standing at 43172 here. First, if the market breaks any level that you can see ahead of time, then you can exit the market smartly. So friends, that is 42,000 in the market at 42,000. When you see and it breaks, then after that, what are the reasons to move up to 4,500 in the market? So we can say that in the next week in which we have entered from today, it will be its spot from Tuesday, guys. This is the biggest support in the market at 4,500. But on top of that, we didn't set the target that we will go and buy here. The target is something else for buying. The first target for buying is 42,800. You can do your first buying while in the spot trade. Then in the same week, 42,150. In both of these, if you repeatedly buy, stay in spot, and repeatedly upsell, after each plus and plus will be 43350 and 43550, then you see a good spot trade. We'll continue to receive end of the week. So guys, we have a prediction here that if BTC gives a low, we can see the biggest low in the next week, which is 4,500. Now let's talk about the recovery. For the recovery, here we can see that today's candle of the day is completely blushed, the down shadow of which we are not able to see. So here are the chances, guys, that the market in the week we have entered now will see sometimes us at the resistance at 43950 for 45 minutes on any given day. So guys, the market will enter permanently in 44,500 till 44,800. More market value is not seen here. Another thing that you have to keep in mind is that we go to 44,500. In 44,800, you must see the dominance of the market. While last week we went to the 50.10 peak of dominance, so friends, one thing is clear that when dominance increases, BTC gets energy here. So if we see any spot in the market again and again, which can give us repeated trades, then you have to keep in mind that our best trades will always be level. I have already shared with you before here, repeat 42,800 and 42,500, repeat can give us trade here now. Along with this, I want to share with you a news regarding ATF, also Blackstop friends here continuously buying. And for the last 5 days, Grayscale has stopped selling its tokens. The ratio of their sales has decreased considerably, so, friends, if this ratio remains low in the market, in the coming days, buying pressure may occur in TC, the chances of which are 22% in the market. Now, what is this buying pressure? Friends, it is like buying at the same level and the market is not manipulated. The easiest solution is to keep an eye on the capitalization of Bitcoin to know where the volume of Bitcoin is constantly increasing. When you see the volume of Bitcoin here, friends, steadily increasing, you will be fully convinced that the market can skyrocket from here. As we saw in Ethereum today, it is better to cover the next week in any new token if you trade. So it's 1,000 degrees better to pay attention to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a coin that doesn't lose anyone here. At the end, we get recovery in it. To follow the best accuracy, if you utilize Bitcoin for the next week on Bitgate exchange, you can see its best results compared to other exchanges here. If your friends don't have an account on Bitgate exchange, then you can create your own account on Bitgate. Don't forget to complete the KYC. After completing the KYC, you won't have any problem in withdrawing tomorrow. So guys, next week I will again share Bitcoin price performance with you. Allah Hafiz.